Welcome to Acceptance Testing and User Experience Integration. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the role of a product owner in planning and conducting sprint reviews and acceptance testing. You'll also be able to describe how the product owner and the user experience, or UX team, work together to deliver a high-value product. Imagine your development team has worked tirelessly on a new feature. It's finally ready for review. But as the sprint review begins, the users struggle to see the value. What went wrong? Without proper acceptance testing and seamless collaboration with the UX team, even the best efforts can miss the mark. Let's start by understanding how the product owner plays a critical role in ensuring the success of sprint reviews and acceptance testing within an agile framework. Every sprint begins with sprint planning. During this phase, the product owner works closely with the Scrum team to define the sprint goal and prioritize user stories that meet business objectives. As the sprint progresses, the product owner monitors the work to ensure it remains aligned with the goal and addresses any impediments or blockers that could derail progress. From day one of the sprint, the product owner plans for the sprint review. What does the preparation for the sprint review involve? The product owner ensures all deliverables are in a demonstrable state and represent value for stakeholders. Before the sprint review, the product owner collaborates with the Scrum Master and development team to prepare for the presentation. This includes identifying key features, organizing feedback sessions, and ensuring stakeholders understand the review's purpose. Remember that the purpose of the review is not just to evaluate performance, but to inspect and adapt the product based on feedback. During the review, the product owner serves as the bridge between the development team and stakeholders. They kick off the session by presenting the sprint goal, summarizing completed work, and emphasizing how the increment adds value. The product owner facilitates discussions to gather actionable feedback from stakeholders. Asking targeted questions helps to refine requirements and validate the team's assumptions. These sessions ensure that the product increments align with stakeholder expectations and market needs. By the end of the review, the product owner documents new insights, refines the product backlog, and reprioritizes tasks based on the feedback received. Next, let's talk about acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is the process of verifying whether completed work meets the predefined acceptance criteria and is ready for release. Rigorous acceptance testing ensures the integrity of the product and minimizes the risk of technical debt or misaligned features. Before development even begins, the product owner defines acceptance criteria for each user story in collaboration with stakeholders and team members. These criteria serve as the benchmark for determining whether a feature meets the desired standards. As the sprint progresses, the product owner works with the development team to verify that acceptance criteria are incorporated into the deliverables. At the end of the sprint, the product owner conducts formal acceptance testing. During this phase, the product owner compares the completed work against the predefined criteria and provides clear feedback on whether each item is approved or requires rework. But even with thorough acceptance testing, no product can truly succeed without a focus on the user. This is where the user experience, or UX team, comes in. Although the product owner and the UX team share a common goal of delivering a high-value product, their roles and focus areas differ. The product owner focuses on the what and why of the product. They prioritize features, manage the backlog, and aim to align the product with business goals and market demands. Their approach is strategic. They also liaise between the development team and stakeholders. The UX team, on the other hand, is centered on the how. Through research, design, and usability testing, they ensure the product meets user needs. Their work centers around creating intuitive interfaces and seamless user journeys. They continually advocate for the end-user experience in every design decision. Collaboration between the product owner and UX team is essential for delivering a product that balances business value with user satisfaction. So, how do the product owner and UX team work together? Let's explore some key activities. The UX team conducts user research to gather insights into behaviors, pain points, and preferences. The product owner ensures this research aligns with strategic goals and incorporates findings into the product backlog. The product owner works with the UX team to refine user stories. Together, they make sure the user stories include actionable acceptance criteria that address both functional and experiential aspects. UX designers create prototypes to visualize features. The product owner reviews these designs and provides feedback to ensure they meet stakeholder expectations and remain technically feasible. During sprint reviews, the UX team demonstrates the usability and design aspects of features, whereas the product owner facilitates discussions to capture stakeholder feedback. Finally, after the sprint is over, the product owner and UX team collaborate on post-sprint improvements. They use analytics and feedback to iteratively enhance the product. In this video, you learned that the product owner defines the sprint goal and makes sure the work is aligned to it throughout the planning and execution of the sprint. They are also responsible for the preparation of the sprint review. During the sprint review, the product owner serves as the bridge between the development team and stakeholders. They then refine the product backlog and reprioritize tasks based on the insights from the review. The product owner defines acceptance criteria for each user story in collaboration with stakeholders and team members. They also see that these criteria are adhered to through the sprint and acceptance testing process. The product owner focuses on aligning the product with business goals and market demands, whereas the UX team focuses on user needs and user experience. Collaboration between the product owner and UX team is essential for delivering a product that balances business value with user satisfaction.